Right, it's Stormy catching brook trout. A small little spinner. This is a panther martin. I like Meps too. This looks like a bear's den. Oh my gosh, that is a animal den. Yeah. Oh, he's chasing you. You got him. Did you get him? Oh, you got him. That was so quick. Oh, got him, Brookie.
Oh, sorry, I just screamed. I haven't got a brookie.
Oh, he inhaled it.
He's so tiny.
He's very tiny. Cutie. See, bud?
Sorry.
That is good.
Is he okay?
Yeah, he went crazy for it. He like, he almost hopped out of the water for it. Oh yeah, you're gonna get one right there. You got him already. Jeez, Rachel. Chill out, girl. That's a nice brookie. Whoa. Whoa, nice brookie. Whoa. That is a beast brookie. Oh, he's huge. Look at the patterns in the sun on him. Holy crap.
Wait, I want like an actual picture.
Those patterns are insane.
Can I see your phone?
What? Yeah.
Or take, like,
look at the patterns on top of it.
Oh, sorry.
Oh, there he goes. Sorry.
Crap, I wanted a picture of him.
Sorry. I'm gonna just keep rolling. You get another one, okay? That was crazy. That was nuts. Oh, you're gonna get one way down there. You got, oh my God. That was nuts. Holy cow, Rachel.
Like,
sorry we lost him, but I bet you'll get another one.
Oh, the big one though.
That was a nice brookie. Oh, I got a bite there. Oh, he's chasing it again. Come on, buddy. He was right in the really dark part of this hole right here. Oh, I see 3 of them. Yeah, they're little. They're spooky. They're being spooky. They're like, I think someone's here. This hole. Holy crap. This hole looks insane. Let's get it in there. Got him! Got him! Got him! Brown! Rainbow. Oh, brookie. It was brookie. He got off. It was actually a brookie. Baby! That was a tiny fish. Oh! That was a tiny fish. Oh my God, that's a nice fish, Rach. That's a big old brookie. Just lift them up. There you go. Good. Super pretty brookie. Love these colors on his back. Wow, beautiful fish. See you, bud. He's ready.
Are these
nice fish, Rach. I think so. There he is. Oh, come back. There. Oh, come back for it, buddy. Bite a 3rd time, will ya? Oh, there's a little bite. Oh, there's another little bite. Another little bite. Got him, got him. A little guy.
Oh, good job, Nick.
Oh, he's so small. Oh my God.
You're joking. That's a teeny booby. That is a booby. And that's a booby. Teeny booby.
See, bud. Here he goes. Oh, he's cute. All right. Here you go. Yeah. Where are you hiding? It's not very deep down here. There's one. Oh, one just jumped. Oh, he's chasing me, a big one. Big fish down there, big one. Like 12-incher. Dang, that was a nice fish. God, oh, I just had a bite. Oh, he bit again. You got him? Oh, man. They're swiping in here, huh? Well, that's not sketchy. Actually, it is. Mess. Not even once. Oh, there's gonna be a fish in here for sure. Really? Nothing, huh? All right, here's the hole. If I don't get one out of here, it ain't happening. Oh, there's one, chasing it. Come on, buddy. I can get him a second time. Got him, nice one. Well, not huge, but it's a fish. Actually, that's a decent one. Hey, bud. Only brookies today. Oh, there he goes. Oh, well, I had him. There's thunder. Starting to thunder, starting to lightning. But I just gotta catch a fish. Oh, I got him. Oh, I had him. Hey, that's a fun little stop.
We're holding lightning rod.
Got into some brookies.
I love brookies. A brookie named Bob.
You want a pet brookie as a pet named Bob?
Yeah, named Brook Bob.
Brook Bob.
Bob.
That might have just gone. Yeah, me too. I think he might be like tucked all the way in the corner by that rock is the thing. And he's not quite coming up to the fly. Nice. That just went underwater immediately. You got one? Oh, you had one? Noel had one, Rachel's got one. Nice, babe. What kind is it? Let's put him in the water. Oh, it's a huge brookie. Oh, sorry, Rachie. That's a big brookie. Dude, that might be bigger than the one last time. Bye, Bubba. Top bit.
Okay.
So it's like that's your bobber and your lure is the top one. You got him, you got him. Yes, Noel. Yeah, Noel on a dry fly. Where's the net?
I think Rachel did.
Oh my gosh, on the dry fly? Is that a brown? Bring him in. It's a brookie. Oh, Noel, your first fly fish was on the dry. Look it, he ate it right on the surface. Oh my God.
Do you want the...
That was awesome, Noel. He ate it perfectly too. He just got hooked right there.
First
He's
fish
so
on the fly.
dang.
Was it crazy to watch him come up and
Yeah,
do that? It's addicting. It's like a topwater bite, but on a tiny fly.
Yeah.
That's a little brookie. He's really small. Yeah, he got kind of tangled up. Yes. Oh, baby. Ate the dry fly. So hungry.
Wow.
They like that one today. I just put on whatever.
He's such a little tiny.
Bye. Perfect. Oh, there he is. Dude, that's a nice one. Is he on?
Yeah.
Dude, brown. Big. Big Rach. Holy cow, that's one of the biggest fish I've seen in this creek.
There we go.
Let's get him unhooked. I got the pliers. Whoa, Rach. All right, Rach, you just got this beautiful brown trout. This is a really big fish for this creek. That's probably a 10 inchers, my guess, 11 maybe. This is a gorgeous picture. Hey, bud. All right.
Yeah. Hey,
you go,
young.
dude. See you,
Hey,
bud.
guys.
Ooh, hi. Oh, Rachel, you ate my fly on the surface. I wish you had got this guy. Oh, he's handsome. Where's the net? Oh, there he goes. Nice little brookie. Look at him. Oh, there he goes. Bye.